Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Creation skills how you encode your team's workflows, conventions, and domain knowledge into a reusable format that close those automatically when relevant. A skill is a folder containing a skill.md file with two parts, a YAML front matter, block at the top, and a markdown body below it. According to Anthropic's official documentation, skills can be simple as a few lines of instructions or as complex as multi-file packages. With executable code, in this guide, I will show you how to build a skill from scratch, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you want to create the skill directory. Create the skill directory for a project-specific skill. You can use different codes, but the concept is the same. Then now it's time to create the skill.md file. Create skill.md inside the directory. The file must start with YAML function containing the required name and description fields. For the required meta fields, we have a name, a description. This description is totally critical. Claude uses it to decide when to invoke your skill. So write a strong description. The description field is the trigger condition. According to the free code camp guide, most skills fail not because the instructions are wrong, but because the description doesn't match how people actually ask for help. So, for a weak description, I got you an example. Generates commit messages. That's a total weak description. But for a strong one, we have description generates structured commit messages following the conventions, commit standard. Use when you want to commit your changes and need whatsoever, and blah blah blah. Many informations needed. So the pattern is what the skill does, plus when to use it, plus a specific trigger phrases. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.